How you can add the collaboration in the Instagram after posting. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add any of the collaboration in your Instagram after adding the post. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram. So now let's say if you go into your profile and here you have to go in the post, and if you want to add the post into your collaboration but you are not add it yet, so you have to click on these three dots, and as you can see that there is no option. So for that you have to go in the edit, and from here you have to add the caption. Now in the caption you have to add the username, and here you have to add that person Instagram ID from which you are adding the collaboration. And after that you just have to simply click on the done, and there is the second option. For that you have to again click on these three dots, and you have to go in the edit and click on the add location. Now here you can select the location where the image the take place, and here in the caption you just have to go in the search and simply search for the username. And after that in the caption field you have to add the username of the collaborators using the add symbol. So and after that you just have to give them credit, and you are able to add the collaboration into your Instagram after posting. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.